What's going on, Dragon Ball fans? The SOB is here, and the SOB brings you a hilarious Dragon Ball reaction episode coming up right now. Alright, Dragon Ball fans, before the SOB begins this hilarious reaction, the SOB wants to give a huge shout out to Cool657 for this recommendation. This time, the SOB is going to be reacting to Dragon Ball, but with Ed, and Eddy sound effects. This is going to be hilarious. It's freaking hilarious. So without further ado, let this reaction begin.
Broly sound like Ed. Goku Ross.
Hey, Roll! Incoming!
Piccolo is Kevin. That music. Damn. Yo, Broly sound like some fucking truck, man. Holy shit! That music. At the Cell Arena.
You're crazy.
Pinball machines! Those pinball sounds, man! Holy shit!
Robot bounty hunter.
All that hard work.
Go on, it's Double D, that's hilarious. Oh, damn!
Hey!
Damn!
Hello, Ed boy.
What the fuck?
What are you? Some kind of troll or something?
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
Huh? Loser.
Damn!
Do not fool Ralph. Say the magic words. Bubbly, bubbly, boo.
Not to mention a duck.
Now Krull's head now? That cheated sound.
I ain't touching that.
Oh shit. Damn. Oh, that freezes Eddy.
Huh? Is your mother with that
Yo, that Japanese gibberish, man. Damn, that's like an energy bitch slap right there. Oh shit, Rob's got Ultra Instinct! damn!
Filthy animals do not belong in Rolf's shed! Rolf is not amused, you... How do you say?
Yeah, Rolf is not amused. God damn! God damn!
Get it on!
Vegeta's ready, that's hilarious.
Do not fool Rolf!
Yo, that Japanese gibberish is hilarious, man.
Away with you, protuberance of the flesh!
God damn! Oh god, I'm tearing up, man. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Come in, Earth! Come in, Earth! Come in, Earth! Repeat! Come in, Earth!
Yeah, look at these two handsome Saiyans. Damn. Oh. That music again. Damn. Vegeta's rough now. God damn.
You're crazy? I was born to be wild, but the cake was too small.
Oh, damn. Oh. Damn. That is one hilariously sound combo.
Ah, hit the spot. What are you? Some kind of troll or something?
Rolf is not amused, you... How do you say? Ducks? Everybody now! Life has many doors,
Damn.
boys. Say the magic words. Bubbly, bubbly, boo. Why?
Shoddy is boo. That's hilarious.
Do not fool Rolf!
Can we get an Ed, and Eddy and Dragon Ball Z crossover,
I was
please?
born to be wild, but the cake was too small.
Hey, Rolf! Incoming!
Yeah, incoming, come at me! Ah!
Dork!
The internet never disappoints. I never thought I'd see the day where I see Dragon Ball Z and Ed, and Eddy collaborate in such a hilarious way. If you like this reaction episode, give me a like, give me a sub, and make sure to spread the word of my channel to your loved ones and to your friends. And as always, the SOB will return with more reactions, so make sure to stay tuned. And if you have a request, let me know in the comment section. I will read it and I will consider it. Until next time, my amazing fans and viewers, the SOB is out. Peace.